Hello world, Shelly here, and it's time for another Dia & Co. unboxing. This is where I take a look at my Dia & Co. subscription box, try everything on, see what I like, see what I'm going to keep, see what I'm going to send back. If you're new to Dia & Co., this was my 14th Dia & Co. box. I just looked up my account. This month I hit my 2-year anniversary of subscribing to Dia & Co. I absolutely love them. They're a subscription service. It's like a personal styling service where you can set what frequency you would like to receive a box. I get mine every other month. They will then have a personal stylist look through your profile. There you answer all kinds of questions about your preferences and your fit and your sizes and things like that. You will get a box that has 5 brand new items in it. You can specify if you want to include accessories or not, just clothing, whatever. You get to try those on in your home for 5 days. If you decide to keep things, then you keep them. If you want to send them back and return them, you can return them. You pay a $20 styling fee for this. But if you keep anything in your box, they take that styling fee and credit it back to you at the time of purchasing your items. You can also send items back to exchange them for a different size if you need to. And if you decide to purchase the entire box, you get an additional 25% discount off that box. So that's how Dia works. I've gotten 14 boxes so far, so I have been thoroughly enjoying them. And with each box, you get a little information card here, and your stylist gives you some tips on how to wear the various items they have selected for you. Generally, you will keep the same stylist throughout your time with Dia, and about 6 months ago or so, I transitioned to a different stylist. The one that I had previously had was no longer with Dia, and I had had her for over a year, so we really got to know each other in terms of, she really got my style. So it took a couple boxes to get on the same page with my current stylist, but I am happy to report that I think she has figured me out. I really need to figure out how to pronounce her name. It's N-I-A-I-A. Naya? I'm not sure. Naya, if you ever see this, let me know how to pronounce your name, because I would like to say it correctly. Now, one thing that I love about having the same stylist over and over again is that I can, like, for example, maintain a Pinterest board of my style and put pictures up as that evolves or as the seasons change, and she checks that. And I also can send personalized information about my sizing and changes and things. I've lost about 30 pounds so far. I don't know that I'm going to lose a whole lot more, but it has affected my sizing. And for this most recent box, I just jotted down a note to my stylist, let her know what had changed, what I think might need to be modified in my sizing, and she took it all into account because this box fit me really well. So first up, the first thing I am wearing, the black skinny jeans are from Curve Appeal. These are the Beacon 5 full pocket skinny jeans. They are size 18. They retail for $69, and they're very comfortable. This fabric feels very durable, but very soft and very forgiving. And at the same time, I think it makes, it hugs the right curves, that kind of thing. The only thing that I don't like about these jeans is that they have a slightly higher rise in the waist than I like. I like, nobody makes a jean that has the right rise for me. I like an inch lower than a mid-rise, but not a low rise, I don't want to be showing plumber's crack or anything, but it's just, yeah, so nobody really makes a jean that I like yet. But this one's close. It's not too far off. It's maybe 3/4 inch, maybe an inch too high. But because it's a nice soft material, I think it's going to be okay in terms of making that rise work. And the top that I have on is from DC Jeans. It's the Reese Plaid button-down with rhinestone pocket detail. And heck yeah, rhinestones. And this is in white charcoal gray, size 1X, retails for $50. Holy cow, I'm wearing a shirt in size 1X, and it's a button down, and my boobs aren't popping out. Like, amazing! I really like the details on this shirt. It is a nice soft fabric. The rhinestone detail is adorable, and the thing I like the most is the attention to detail in construction. So I like when my button-down shirts have sleeves that you can roll up, but sometimes when they give you that little extra button-up piece of fabric that you can roll your sleeve up, then when you put the sleeve down, that fabric is just kind of wasted and there's no way to like button them down properly, or they try to do one of those like dual purpose buttons and it just doesn't really, it costs more to make it so it's properly both button down and roll up. And in this case, this shirt has both options, fully buttoned, and I know it costs more to do that. It's a more complicated design on the sleeves, and I like those details. So this shirt I really like. I feel like it's that sort of bright, looking forward to spring kind of a look without being totally, you know, wearing white. Next outfit, I am still wearing the skinny jeans, and the top is from Mary Sky. This is the Alley Shark Bite tee in purple, size 2X. It retails for $42. And I just really like knit tops that I can wear with leggings or skinny jeans. That's kind of what I've been doing lately, and I've been enjoying that look. I like when tops give me enough fabric to cover my bum, because I used to belong to the Leggings Are Not Pants Club. And then I decided, okay, leggings can be pants as long as you cover your butt. So as long as my butt's covered, and I like them to cover my belly too. So this is just right. You know, I don't know if the shark bite style is gonna stay in style very much longer, but I think in the leggings crowd it probably will. So I'm just gonna go on with it. It's purple. I work at JMU. Go Dukes. Purple and gold are the school colors, so purple works out great for me. This one's really comfortable and cute. Along with that shark bite tee, I am wearing the Hudson Scarf. This is a purple and light gray ombre scarf, retails for $30. This winter, I have started to dabble in wearing scarves, and this one is much higher quality than the few scarves that I've purchased so far. I've gotten a couple at Target, I've gotten a couple at TJ Maxx, and then I felt this one and I thought, oh, that's what the scarves are supposed to feel like. Okay, I get it now. Super soft, very warm and heavyweight. It's gonna be perfect as the chill of winter sets in. We are heading into February and it's like the worst month here for winter. And I really like this. It's cute. It's durable, it's super, super soft, it feels really nice and really warm, and I'm digging it. I just need to learn how to fold more like scarf knots and things and all that. I've been watching some YouTube. We're gonna figure it out. Last up, I am such a sucker for black and white and red. I don't know what to tell you guys. It's like my thing, and I think my Dia girl has figured that out because she keeps sending me these things and I can't not keep them. So this is from Ryan Wythe. It is the Raleigh 3/4 sleeve fit and flare dress in black and white. It's size 2X, retails for $69. Polka dots, retro, like anything you could doll up to like 60s retro. I like 70s retro too, and can't lie, I'm a child of the 80s, so I like 80s retro too, but, you know, I just really like the sensibility of the, you know, black, white, and red. I don't know. So this red belt is totally my belt. It did not come in the Dia box, does not come with the dress, but I couldn't help myself, and do you see what's happening here? I am on the last notch of my belt. I need to get more belts. So I'm digging this. She suggested that I wear it with flats. I could not find my regular plain old ballet flats because it's the middle of winter and they're probably like under the bed or the cat stole them or something like that. So I don't know where they are. This is the only pair of shoes I could find and that's what I'm wearing. Probably wouldn't wear it with these shoes, but I like it. It's super cute. It's super comfortable. I think this is the kind of fabric that is a great transition fabric. So it's like, it's the perfect weight on its own for spring and fall, but then you can also warm it up for winter, put on some leggings, possibly a half sweater if you need to, and it's just that great versatile 3-season dress. The arms are probably a little too long to wear in the summertime unless it was like a chilly evening out kind of a thing, but I love these kinds of dresses because they get me through most of the year. They feel like secret pajamas. They're so comfortable. I just love a good knit fit and flare. They're just my favorite kind of dress. You can dress them up, dress them down, and they feel like pajamas. So let's look at the damage here. Merchandise total with these 5 items is $260. The styling fee, if I keep any item, would be $20 credited back. And if I chose to keep the entire box, I would get an additional $65 discount. That's 25% off. So if I bought the whole entire box, it would be $175. If you do the math and just average that out, it's $35 a piece for each item on the list, and I liked everything in this box. So congratulations, Naya. This is the first box that I am buying every single item. I'm keeping the whole thing because this one, you nailed it. I love it. These are good stuff. So there you have it. That is my Dia & Co. unboxing for, I guess, January, February. This will probably be my February box, I guess we'll call it. That's what I got. I'll have another one coming up in April. If you would like to try out Dia & Co. yourself, I will leave a link down below, and it is an affiliate link, so I will get a discount off my next Dia box if you subscribe and get a Dia box through my link. I recommend Dia regardless of if you use my link or not. This is one of my favorite services. One of the reasons I love them is that I don't have much style sense, and so I can learn sort of patterns of how to style certain things and what goes with what, and then I can duplicate that when I go to Target or Kohl's or, you know, my cheap places, because I don't usually pay full price for my clothes. But it just helps me kind of figure out a sort of basic model of what to wear, and then I go out and I buy my own stuff that's along those same lines, and it has worked really, really well for me. And I just like buying new clothes and trying them on in the comfort of my own home and not having to go out shopping. I've really enjoyed my Dia boxes. I absolutely love them. I absolutely recommend them. I love Dia & Co. So there you have it. Thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over not makeup, but clothing today. I appreciate your time. I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Thumbs up if you want more Dia, subscribe if you haven't already, and take care of each other. Bye-bye.